How to fix WhatsApp app not opening problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp not open easily and fast. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just close WhatsApp and then go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager and then go to the apps. And now here on this page you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find WhatsApp, click on it. After you click on it, it will take you to the app information page. All what you have to do here is simple. Click on the permissions, make sure to enable all the permissions of the app and then go back and click on this force stop option. When you click on it, now you have to do one thing: restart your phone and reopen WhatsApp, and the problem is gonna be fixed easily and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.